So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on change advanced power settings. And now once this comes up, you want to select restore plan defaults. And then click on yes. And then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, now you want to type in dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, for the last step, just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.